How to create a Grabpay account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Grabpay account. To create a Grabpay account, first you need to get its app. So go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Grabpay here. Tap to open its app and then download it. Once the app is installed on your device, choose one of the account creation methods. You can create an account using your Google, Facebook, or phone number. Then complete all required data with an active email or Facebook account and phone number. You will receive an SMS OTP containing 4-digit code. Don't disclose this code to anyone, including persons acting on behalf of Grab. Depending on your location and the regulations in place, you may be asked to complete additional identity verification steps. This can include providing identification documents. For added security, set up a PIN for your Grabpay wallet. This PIN will be used when making payments with Grabpay. Once your Grabpay account is set up and your payment method is linked, you can start using Grabpay for various services within the Grab app, such as ride-hailing, food delivery, and more. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.